Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about booming of cryptocurrency in India. Technology has changed the way people work, communicate, shop, and even pay for goods. Companies and consumers don't always prefer cash anymore. With a quick wave of a smartphone, consumer can pay for items at digital register. Now, a new payment system is emerging in India, that is cryptocurrency. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital asset specially designed to work as a medium of exchange where individual coin ownership records are stored in a register which exists in a form of computerized database that uses strong cryptography for securing transaction records, controlling the creation of additional coin, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. Many large companies have issued their own cryptocurrency, often called as token, which can be traded for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would arcade token or casino chips, and for that you must need to exchange the real currency or the cryptocurrency for accessing the good or service. The cryptocurrency market cap has historically thus far been dominated by Bitcoin, holding at least 50% of the market cap value, where altcoins have increased and decreased in market cap value in relation to Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency continue to proliferate, raising money through initial coin offering or ICOs. And can you believe that the total value of all cryptocurrency on April 13, 2021 was more than $2.2 trillion according to Coin Market Cap. There are 10 largest trading cryptocurrency by market capitalization, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, XRP, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, Uniswap, Litecoin, and Stellar. Cryptocurrency are becoming so popular day by day, and you know one of the main reasons for that is the supporter. People like technology behind cryptocurrency, the blockchain, because it's a decentralized processing and recording system and can be more secure than traditional payment system. After getting to know some amazing thing about cryptocurrency, you all must be thinking of buying it. Well, for buying cryptocurrency, you will need a wallet, an online app that can hold your currency. Generally, you will need to create an account for an exchange, and after that you can transfer real money to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In cryptocurrency network, mining is generally a validation of transaction. For this, usually a successful miner obtains new cryptocurrency as a reward. The reward decreases transaction fee by creating a complementary incentive to contribute to the processing power of the network. Transaction fee for the cryptocurrency mainly depend on the supply of network capacity at the time versus the demand from the currency holder for faster process of transaction. The currency holder are able to choose a specific transaction fee while network organization process the transaction in order of the highest offer fee to the lowest. Cryptocurrency exchanges are able to simplify the process of currency holder by offering the priority alternative and thereby determine which fee will likely cause the transaction that can be processed in the requested time. Cryptocurrency is a good investment, especially if you want to gain direct exposure to the demand for digital currency. The world of finance has become multipolar. Regulator, traditional financial institutions, and crypto companies are increasingly collaborating to make most of the benefit that crypto technology has brought to the world. We hope that you learned something new from this video. Please do like our video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.